Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni waiya muno utalo munini wa NND alame yumilite kufikia oyukwe yandikithia ta akuni makura ainena kikaloni tangu atanio ya mweka kuma siamani sia ule. Kalonzo ni wakulia mwika mea yumile kwa wingi na kutumia iviso yeno kana kuikonia imwe kwa imwe na mivango ya kuseuvia utongo imwe wandikula nenene siukite aikulia eseso ya wandikithia yetiyo kwevyu ngina wodini no kana NND ainge mavikiwe kwanzia ya laisi. Benjamin Mwaka ena mauvo.
Kalonzo nwakanthia viti wa mwika va Kenya kukitia mwalu kumotongoi ateo ni wa makule meyumile kuikonya na waki wandi kwa kukitia miana ya utongoi.
You are young, the future belongs to you, but leadership should begin now. I don't know how many of you have realized that additional to the revolt in Madagascar, there is now an ongoing revolt in Morocco, led by Gen Zs in Morocco. And so we see how our Gen Zs have inspired the whole world, not just the continent.
Kalonzo akomanisha na mwika angu atunyoni ya mwika kuma siamani sioli no makule mekonye kwa vanene dino akuyandikithia sone ya kuosa kura la yendewe ni IBC aiweto utalo wao yuwe themuno anuwa ilovika mbe wa milioni 3.
He sends some kind of lackluster approach to the whole thing. Yesterday we were on a trail to Kitui through Machakos, and we could see that people want this change.
Yuende sesothi itiyo kuingina kuya wodine no kana kufikia andu ingi muno na kuikithia vai mwenende unati lwanza kana itina.
One of the things we should do is to demand decentralization to the world level. What was the But I think the mobilization by the Gen Zs and all of you guys is also important. You know, somebody should start that conversation. Just start it. Say, you are not going to have my lunch and you are my friend if you are not registered. Between yourselves. Yeah, I'm not going to take you to lunch. And you know what? That other trip we're going to have, even dowry payment, these days are everything. A dowry, peleke nikalipe, nikaone wazazi, nikalipe dowry, okay? Sema hiyo, bila kuonyesha wewe you have a voter's card. Tafadhali hatuendi. Alright? So this has to be a very critical thing. And if we do that, then you get your 3 million.
Naga mutongoi wa chama cha DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa Kaloniki na nwakulia mwika makonyo ne serikali nene na ilasi akaunti dhino 10 na utongoi no kana mea keki ukwati.
I remember in the 10th Parliament I had brought an amendment to the Procurement Act to allow for 25% public procurement for the youth of this country. That is what became AGUPO later on. And Uhuru allowed it to go up to 30%. Do you know you don't need these tokens that you are getting from Kasongo? If we were able to get all the counties ensuring that all the procurement there is not given to their wives, their relatives, and girlfriends, you can help us actually hold those governors accountable. And these opportunities are what can actually turn the young people from becoming job seekers to job creators, doing actual business, putting real money in your pockets, and that accountability is one of the issues we would like to champion as the new coalition that will bring change in this country.
Vilengwa mavamu sinilovi nyeneto Benjamin Mwaka.